Oh no! These numbers are all over the place. We need to put them in order. Can you help me? All right, let's see. Which number should we start first? I think a 3. What do you think? Not a 3? Okay, which number? A 1, do you say? Okay, so we'll start with 1. What comes after 1? 3? No? 4? 2? Okay, so we'll put 2, move them aside. So we have 1, 2, what comes next? 3, and after 3, is it 5? No? Okay, 4, and now 5. Great job! We put the numbers in order. Now we are going to use counters to practice our counting order. So over here we have the number 1. Now make sure you have enough counters to put on your counting order page. So for 1, we're going to put 1 counter. 1. For 2, we're going to put 2 counters to show 2. 1, 2. And for 3, we're going to need 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. And for 4, we're going to need 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now for 5, we're going to need how many counters? 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here we can see our counting order, and the numbers get bigger. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Remember, today we're talking about counting order. And when we are doing counting order, we always start with a number 1. Just like when you count, you start with 1. So here we have the number 1. And we are going to show how many counters we use for each number. So we just have 1, right? Just 1 counter for the number 1.
And the number that comes after 1 is 2. So we're going to write the number 2. And we're going to draw how many counters number 2 shows. So we're going to draw 1 counter and 2. There you go.
What comes next? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so first we're writing the number 3, and then we need to make the counters. 1, 2, and 3. Do you notice how each time we're adding 1 more? That's what happens in counting order. Let's keep going.
And after 3, we have the number 4. So we write 4, and then we need to draw 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more, we will get 4.
And we have 1 more spot left. What comes after 4? 5, of course. Don't forget that big belly on Mr. 5. Okay, now we need 5 counters. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Don't forget, in counting order, each time it gets bigger.
For this page, you're going to count how many objects there are on this page, and then you're going to write the number.
At the very bottom, it is a little bit different. You're going to count in order. So you're going to start with 4. No, we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and lastly 5. So you'll fill in the numbers at the end. 2, 5.